In this video, we'll quickly go over all the planning features that Stager has to offer. First, you request information from the artist or external party handling the program. Next, you plan the production. Then, you share the arrangements externally with an itinerary. And finally, you create a production script for the event itself. Throughout the whole process, you use topics to organize information by subject and make it easier to find. You gather information you need from external parties with advancing forms. The forms are organized by topic, and for each topic you can request the right information. For each form, you can see by topic whether a response has been given, which allows you to quickly check if you're ready to move forward with your planning. You create these forms yourself by going to Planning and click on Advancing. Then you press plus New Advanced Form. By using advancing templates, you can create standard forms that you use regularly. You decide which topics you include in the form. Next, you fill in what information you want from the external party for each topic. You share the forms once they're published by sharing the link, which you can copy with a single click. When the external party opens this link, they will see the form where they can answer all your questions, and then the status overview for each topic will be updated accordingly. With the information gathered from the advancing form, you can create a production overview. You do this in the program tab of an event. Here, you plan the production in advance, outlining the production schedule, contact persons, required technical equipment, and more. You plan a production based on program items. A program item is a part of your program, like a band or just an artist. Create one by selecting plus New Program Item and enter the relevant information and topics. Once most of the production arrangements are in place, you can share the details with the external party via an itinerary. You create an itinerary using the Create Itinerary button and choose which information from the Program tab to include. You can add any additional details if needed and share the public version with a single link. Any changes you make will automatically update in the itinerary. The schedule you created for each program item in the Program tab is automatically included in the overall production schedule. This schedule serves as a production script detailing all the tasks and activities that need to be completed for the production. You can access this script by navigating to Planning, Schedule. Here you can filter by program item, space, status, topic, and user. Information from the schedule for each event also appears in the overarching schedule by date. This way you can see exactly what needs to be done each day for every production. You can also view and filter this information in the mobile app. In addition to planning productions, you can also schedule personnel using Stager. You can do this per event or per date. You can schedule various roles such as volunteers, bar staff, and the technical team. You can also schedule based on availability. Staff log into the ticket shop environment and indicate when they are available. It's also possible to open shifts so that staff can self-schedule directly. Via Planning Personnel, you'll find an overview of open shifts and who has worked each day, week, or month. Select plus New Shift to create a new shift and configure all the details. Make sure you set up all personnel settings via Settings, Planning, Personnel before you schedule your staff. Stager relies on these settings, so they need to be properly configured. After watching this video series, you should be familiar with all the Stager basics. Want to dive deeper? Check out our online help center and reach out to our support team if you have any more questions.